What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your headphones are connected to your Windows PC, but no sound or audio is playing. First, make sure your headphones are properly connected to your computer. Check the headphone jack or USB port they're plugged into, and ensure the connection is secure. If possible, try using a different port to rule out any physical issues with the one you're using. For wireless headphones, double-check that they're paired correctly. Next, check the volume on your computer. Go to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the sound icon in the taskbar. Increase the volume to ensure it's not set too low. Additionally, many headphones have their own built-in volume controls, like a dial or button. Check these to make sure the headphone volume isn't set to 0. If you're still not hearing anything, test your headphones on another device, like a phone or another computer. If the headphones work on another device, the problem is likely with your PC settings. Sometimes, sound issues occur because the audio output is set incorrectly. To fix this, right-click on the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Alternatively, you can open Settings, go to System and select Sound. In the Choose Where to Play Sounds section, check if your headphones are listed. If your headphones are listed but not selected, click on them to make them the active output device. If not, scroll down to Add a device to pair them again for Bluetooth headphones. If the problem persists, it's possible your headphones on your PC may require updated drivers. To verify this, search for Device Manager in your Start menu and hit Enter. In the Device Manager, look for Audio Inputs and Outputs. Locate your headphones, right-click on them, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Or, if you have the driver file, select Browse my computer for drivers. Follow the prompts to complete the update. If your headphones are from a major brand, you might also find specific drivers on the manufacturer's website. Another helpful step is running the built-in Windows troubleshooter. In your Start menu, type Troubleshoot and select Troubleshoot Settings. Scroll down to Other Troubleshooters and locate Audio. Click Run, and Windows will attempt to identify and fix any audio-related issues. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Lastly, restart your computer. Restarting clears temporary glitches and ensures any updates or settings changes are applied. After rebooting, test your headphones again to see if the issue is resolved. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.